Hello, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for Class 1 Subject Maths, Chapter number 2, Numbers up to 9. The topics covered in this video are ordering numbers and number names from 1 to 9. Ordering numbers. First, let us know the meaning of ordering numbers. Arranging the given numbers from the smallest to the greatest or from the greatest to the smallest is called ordering numbers. Or in simple terms, arranging the given numbers in increasing order or in decreasing order is called ordering numbers. Dear children, let us consider few examples to understand the method of ordering numbers. Example 1. Look at the numbers 5, 8 and 3 on the number line below. In this example, we are going to order or arrange the numbers 5, 8 and 3 in both ascending and descending order. Let us see how we can do that using a number line. So we have to look at these numbers on the number line. Now let us find these numbers 5, 8 and 3 on the number line, and let us mark those numbers by drawing a circle around those. First let us find number 5. Number 5 is here on the number line, and let us draw a circle around it. And next we have to find the number 8. Number 8 is here, and number 3, it is here. So we have found the given numbers and marked those numbers. Here we see that 3 is to the left of 5 and 8. Look here, the number 3 is to the left of the other two numbers 5 and 8. So 3 is the smallest among the given numbers. We know that on a number line, a number to the left of any given number is smaller. Therefore, here among these three numbers, since 3 is towards left of both 5 and 8, 3 is smaller or less than 5 and 8. Number 8 is to the right of 3 and 5. Look here, the number 8 is to the right of both 3 and 5. So 8 is the greatest among the given numbers. So 8 is greatest among the given three numbers. So now we have understood 3 is smallest and 8 is greatest among the given numbers. So now since we have only 3 numbers, we can arrange these numbers in increasing order. So now let us write these numbers in order as they appear from left to right on the number line. So as they appear from left to right, that is 3 first, next we should write 5, and after that we should write 8. So if we write in this order, the numbers 3, 5 and 8 are now arranged in increasing order or ascending order. So now after doing this, let us arrange these numbers in descending order also. But before that, let us see this statement. When we write numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we say that the numbers are arranged in increasing or ascending order. That is what we have done now. We have arranged the given three numbers from smallest to the greatest. So now these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now let us write the numbers in the reverse order from greatest to smallest. So now let us write these three numbers in reverse order. That means from greatest to smallest. That is 8 will come first, and after that 5 comes, and then 3 comes. So if we write in this order, the resulting arrangement is called decreasing order or descending order. That is, when we write numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we say that the numbers are arranged in decreasing or descending order. So this is how we should arrange the given numbers in ascending order and in descending order. So what we have done in this example now, we had arranged these given numbers 5, 8 and 3 in ascending order. This is the ascending order of given three numbers, and we also arranged the given numbers in descending order. In ascending order, the smallest number will be first and the largest number will be last. And in descending order, largest number will be first and the smallest number will be last. And while writing ascending order, we will use the less than symbol between the numbers. And while writing the numbers in descending order, we will use the greater than symbol between the numbers. So this indicates the descending order of numbers. I hope you understood the method of arranging numbers both in ascending order and in descending order. Now let us take one more example with a different kind of approach which will be simpler or easier for you. Now let us move to example number 2 to understand the method of ordering given numbers. Look at the numbers 7, 9, 0 and 4 on the number line below. We have to look at these numbers. Let us find these numbers and mark them by drawing circles around them. The number 7 is here on the number line, and let us mark a circle around it. The number 9 is here, and let us draw a circle around it. The number 0 is here, and we have marked it. And the number 4 is here on the number line. So we have found and marked all the 4 numbers given. So these are the 4 numbers given. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order and in descending order. Here let us have a simpler approach which we are doing just by observing the numbers marked on the number line. Since we know that all the numbers on a number line are written in increasing order from left to right. We have studied about the number line earlier, so we know every number to the right of a given number is bigger or greater than the number towards its left. Therefore, as we move from left to right on a number line, the numbers go on increasing. Therefore, the numbers we have marked on the number line are in increasing order if we come from left to right. That is, 0 is the smallest among the 4 given numbers, and the next smallest number leaving 0 is 4, next smallest number is 7, and the greatest number is 9. Therefore, just by looking at the numbers marked on the number line, we can write the numbers in increasing or ascending order. As let us write down the numbers as they appear on the number line. So we find 0 first here, and the next marked number is 4. Let us write down 4 here, and next we have 7. Let us write down 7, and finally we have 9 here. Let us write down 9. So now if you look at these numbers, these are in increasing order: 0, 4, 7, 9. So if we put the less than symbol between these numbers, now the increasing order of the given numbers or ascending order is ready. So this is the ascending order of the given 4 numbers. And to write these numbers in descending order, we have to write these numbers from right to left. That is, we will write the number 9 first, and then 7, after that 4, and finally 0. So now we have arranged the given numbers in decreasing order, and if we put the greater than symbol between these numbers, we have arranged the numbers in descending order. I think it will be simpler and easy to remember and follow. So we are not having much things to write here. Just we will look at the number line and we will mark the numbers given in the question, and looking at the marked numbers, we can write the numbers in ascending order or in descending order. Number names from 1 to 9. Count the butterflies and trace over the number names. Here, some butterflies are given in each row. We have to count the number of butterflies and trace over the number names given in the last column here. Here we have only one butterfly. Number 1 is written here and the number name is ONE. You should trace on these to learn the number names and the spellings of number names. In the second row there are two butterflies. This is number 2 and number name is TWO2. Here we have 1, 2, 3 butterflies. This symbol represents the number 3. Number name is THREE3. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. The number or numeral 4 is written here. The number name or number in words is written as FOUR4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies. This is number 5. Number name is FIVE5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 butterflies. This is number 6. Number name is SIX6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7. Number name is SEVEN7. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies are there. The number name and its spelling is EIGHT8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 butterflies. The number name or the number in words is written as NINE9. So these are the numbers and number names from 1 to 9. Dear children, you learn to write all these numbers from 1 to 9 and the number names. So with this, we have completed the chapter number 2, numbers up to 9. So before concluding, we will go through the summary of the chapter, and after that we will solve the questions in revision exercise. And once we successfully solve all those questions, that indicates we have learned all the things in this chapter. Summary of the chapter is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 are counting numbers. That means these numbers are used to count some objects. Nothing is represented by this number. The number name of this is 0. This is the symbol, this is number name. So if we write like this, this is called as the number 0. And 0 represents nothing or no objects to count. 1 more than a number gives the number just after that number. That means 1 more than a number means 3 plus 1 is 4, or 1 more than 3 is 4. So 1 more than a number gives the number just after that number. 1 less than a number gives the number just before that number. That means 1 less than 5 is 4. So 1 less than a number gives the number just before that number. The symbol written like this denotes less than, and this symbol denotes greater than. Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called the increasing order, and from the greatest to the smallest is called the decreasing order. So we have discussed these earlier and answered some questions based on this. I think all of you are very much familiar and comfortable in solving such questions of arranging the numbers in increasing order and in decreasing order. Dear children, I hope you enjoyed learning new things through this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.